going on, Honda Heads? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. In today's video, guys, the winter is finally come back around and in full effect. So I am going to be doing a couple things over the winter to get this car ready for the 2026 season. Yeah, hopefully for the 2026 season, we're going to be attending a couple more events, or a couple events for the summer. Spring and summer. I wasn't able to do that this previous summer because of the fact that I was battling some issues with this car, with the transmission. Guys, if you guys seen the previous video, that was something I had recorded a couple months back and just did not have time to get to the editing aspect. So I just finally put that video out. So you guys, if you have not checked out that video, I would appreciate if you guys would go back, check the video out, and keep supporting this channel. So yeah, with that being said, guys, for the EG, we're gonna be installing a KLM staging brake. Now that I got the kinks out of the car with the issues I was having with the transmission. So yeah, hopefully for 2026, we're gonna have this car attending a couple more events, or a couple events, as I should say, for the summer, to just, man, try to see if I can win some of my money back from all the money I've invested into this car. So yeah, guys, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna set you up on the tripod over by the toolbox, do a quick unboxing of everything that we're gonna be installing, and then start getting these this staging brake onto the car. Stay tuned. So guys, you already know me. I'm like a little kid at a candy store when it comes to brand new parts. I did ended up opening up the package and make sure there was nothing damaged, but for the most part, everything is still as KLM had sent it to me. So yeah, guys, right off the bat, you got this beautiful billet aluminum. I got it in the raw finish, as you guys can see right there, KLM Race. The piece is a beautiful looking billet staging brake. So that's that. I ended up grabbing the bushings as well, little billet aluminum bushings. I picked up the whole entire kit. I believe this is maybe the plate. With a little, the hardware. This is the plate. So as you guys can see right there, it's yeah, engraved in there, KLM. The plate. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to remove the base plate that is on there right now. I guess we're gonna figure that out together. And this kit comes with the Willwood GS compact master cylinder. I ended up getting the inline one. So that means it's the one that does not come with the reservoir. The reason I didn't want to go with the one with the separate reservoir was because I did not want to separate the lines. That's more for like a full-blown race application, and I'm still not 100% sure right now. The car is fully 100% strictly a race car, but yeah, I decided to go with this one just so I can tap into the original lines on the car, and if in the future I ever decided to turn the car into a street car, I wouldn't have to, you know, have the brake system separated. The way a lot of guys do it, they just, you know, cap out the back two lines on the master cylinder or on the proportioning valve, and then just run a line with a split just for the rear brake line. So you got the front brake lines, or the front brakes separated from the rear brakes, and then you'd use the handle to manually slow the car down as you're, you know, hitting the brake pedal for the front brake. So I didn't want to do that, so I figured I'd just keep it, you know, the whole braking system all in one piece. I thought it to be a lot safer. So yeah, we ended up picking up the one without the reservoir. So yeah, it's a really nice master cylinder as well. I'm gonna see if I might bench bleed this. I'm still waiting on the lines that I ended up ordering. I wanted to make sure that I was gonna get the right fittings to go in here. I'm gonna go with a -3 line, and I ended up picking up the lines, or the fittings for here, which are a 3AN to a 3/8-24 double flared fitting. It's a male to male on both of these ports, and the -3 line that I'm gonna use to run to the front. I'm still waiting on that. So this video, I might do it like in nah, you know what? I'm gonna do it all in the same, and once I get it, I'll finish up the video before I upload it up onto YouTube. So yeah, guys, this is all the stuff here. Let me see if I can open up the actual staging brake itself. Pull it out of the package. Oh, where's my razor? Where's the blade when you need it? It is it's pretty light. I thought it would have been a little bit more heavier. The piece is pretty thick in aluminum. It's got a whole bunch of cutouts, and yeah, this handle here, it seems fairly light. Doesn't seem like it would be, adding that much weight to the car. But yeah, so with that being said, let me see if I could start installing this master cylinder right onto here, and then take you over to the car, install the plate, and at least set this up. So guys, we're gonna pick up this little, piece here, which I'm assuming is gonna go right in here, and this is what's gonna lock onto the arm into that little hole right there. So yeah, guys, we're gonna let me set this up, that way I don't bore you with all the nitty-gritty details. Let me install this onto this piece, and then I'll pick back up with you guys in a sec. Stay tuned. There you go. I ended up installing this little clevis onto the I think that's what that's called, onto the master cylinder, and then installed the master cylinder onto the actual piece, and there you go. We get that nice spring back. So yeah, now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking off the shifter and start installing the base onto the car, and then mounting the actual staging brake onto that base plate. So guys, as you can see, I ended up removing this one. There was no need for me to have it. Was able to just take this one off and just install this one right on to the tunnel there. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be grabbing the shifter, mounting the shifter onto the plate, and then going about installing the staging brake. So first things first, guys, I ended up messing up. I ended up assembling this whole staging brake, put the master cylinder onto it. Come to find out, for you to be able to get to the two bolts, that one, that little hole there, and the one that's right there, you are gonna need to mount it onto the base plate first. Then once it's mounted on the base plate, then install the master cylinder. So we're gonna come, grab the staging brake, figure out these two hoses, which is this one and this one. We're gonna slide them right onto these two slots here, and then just come grab this applied hardware, pass it through. Here's the washer. Here, from underneath. Just mount it there, tighten this down, and now we can go ahead and put the master cylinder. Let me tighten this up real quick. Just like that, give myself some nice clearance from the dash. It's a good distance. Now we're gonna go ahead and start installing the master cylinder. Alright guys, so we are back after a few days has gone by already. I ended up ordering some of the fittings that I needed to get this staging brake operating as it should. So what I ended up doing, I ended up picking up these fittings here. It's Banjo bolt that matches, it's a 3/8 by, what is it? There you go, 3/8 by 24, and then what is that? 7/16-20 to a -3. So yeah, that's the two fittings that I am gonna be running. And then I ended up going with just turbo feed lines, -3 as my fluid delivery or whatnot. That's gonna tap into my my proportioning valve inside the engine bay. So yeah, I'll show you real quick. I ended up running, as you guys could see, the lines already in the position where I was gonna have them. So what I ended up doing, I ran it underneath the staging brake and then went in through that OEM hole there on the tunnel and brought them in between the cross member and the firewall, and I'm gonna tap in. These are my back brake lines. I'm gonna try to just grab this fitting, flip it around, so then this little port is on this side, so then I could just connect the line right to there. And then this line is gonna get eliminated, which runs to the right there, the outside of the proportioning valve. As you guys can see it right there. I believe that says out, I'm not really sure, but yeah. And yeah, so this line is gonna go, it's gonna feed from the out on the proportioning valve to the inlet side of the staging brake. And then the outside of the staging brake is gonna feed to the brake lines on that F fitting right there. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not rocket science. I'm not 100% sure. This is the first time I am running these lines or a staging brake at all. So I'll get back to you. I'll see if it works, but in theory it should work. Like I said, I'm not gonna be bleeding the brake system. I'm just gonna install this real quick so I can cap this video out. And yeah, if it doesn't work, I'll do a follow-up updated video as to everything I had told you to go about in this video was doo-doo and not listen to it. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna put the start putting the fittings in and then run these lines. So stay tuned. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab these fittings, dump them right into the engine or the floor here. Take the caps off. There you go. And then we're gonna grab the 3/8 to -24, and we're just gonna screw it right onto here. Uh-oh, wait up. Do I gotta take this one out? Yeah, hold on. So boom. Oh wait, my bad. This one goes back here. Yeah, this is the 7/16 through -20. So that one goes here on the back. This is the inlet that you're gonna run the line from the proportioning valve onto the inlet side of the staging brake. And then for this one, we're gonna do the Banjo style nut and washer, which we're gonna just put these two together, just like this. And there we go. Let me just start screwing this in. Come on. It's hard doing this with my left. There we go. Just like that. Boom. So yeah, I'm gonna have, since I have the lines routed underneath nice and clean like this is how the lines are gonna be. So this one's gonna go right to here like that. And then this one, we're just gonna feed it right there. Come on. Just like that. And then we can just keep the lines nice and clean, just like that. So let me tighten this all up and yeah, just cap this video out. Oh, I ended up tying everything up nice and snug. I ended up putting a little zip tie here just to keep this, you know, the two lines nice together all the way until it reaches the tunnel back there. And yeah, that's all she wrote. So I am gonna cap the video out there, guys. I did not connect the two lines on the engine bay side, which would be coming from the feed on the outside of the proportioning valve to the inside of the master cylinder and then back out. So I just gotta connect these two lines right here, which, and plus, like I said, I've never done this, so I'm not really sure as to if my theory is gonna work or not, and I don't wanna have an issue with that's gonna mess me up and not allow me to go to the track this Saturday. So if anything, I'll just come Saturday after the track or Sunday or sometime next week, install them lines, get this car off 4 wheels off the ground and start bleeding it. I'll probably do like a little short or something and maybe do a little update video on this whole little setup. If you guys you know, want to know if it worked out or not, just send me a comment down below and I'll try to you know, get back to you in a timely fashion. So yeah, with that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this content, I would appreciate it if you would smash that subscribe button, like this video, share the video, and comment down below, guys. Until next time, peace. Perfect.